you want to create a non-illuminating head segment. First, you need to understand how it works and what parameter ranges it operates within. Once you know its range, you can address the issue of it not illuminating and develop the concept of a non-illuminating head segment. Without understanding its range, you won't be able to solve the problem or create a truly non-illuminating head segment. The only way to achieve a non-illuminating head segment is to copy each other's work. Everyone copies each other, but is the result correct? No, it's still wrong because no one understands it and simply copies without a proper understanding. Some might claim to consumers that they can guarantee a non-illuminating head segment, but in the end, they just disable it permanently. Yes, disabling it permanently is a one-time solution, but there's one problem related to particulate matter and smoke opacity. Smoke opacity is related to the type of fuel used. Nowadays, everyone knows that programming is used to modify the settings. During the programming process, the air-fuel ratio is adjusted to a richer mixture because if you want to generate high power, you need a rich fuel mixture. If the fuel mixture is too lean, it can easily damage the cylinder or even the engine. Therefore, a richer mixture is given, but once it becomes richer, it increases smoke opacity, and the system will trigger a warning and shut down the head segment. Once it's shut down, it solely relies on the ECU manufacturer to adjust. You can adjust the power output to any level, but what happens then? We often talk about mining coal. Carbon accumulates in the surrounding components. Initially, you could mine coal for 100,000 kilometers, but now you have to do it every 30,000 kilometers. Your consumables increase, and the cost of spark plugs increases as well. Everything in the surrounding area is affected. Do you want this? We are not doing things in this manner. We are working within the limits of the original manufacturer. We first capture the issue within those limits and then design a head segment that meets those extreme ranges. The flow rate and effectiveness are also optimized to the maximum. This way, we won't have conflicts with the original manufacturer's programming. Moreover, if a programming company needs to write software, it will be more effective because we don't interfere within that framework. They can give their best efforts, resulting in better outcomes. So now, there are two ways to address this issue. One is to achieve a genuinely non-illuminating head segment, and the second is to disable it through programming.